Hi guys, today we're doing the Jurassic Park Part 3, the Spinosaurus. I just draw the T-Rex, so let's draw the bigger dinosaur, the Spinosaurus. First, need to put a big and angry eye there. And that is his next part of the Spinosaurus. That's this thing. The angry. Now next is this. This is this. Now we need to draw teeth
beside the road.
Now we need this. And this. Now next is the Spinosaurus. This guy was a bat. This guy is the big boy. Okay. Next is the other arm.
As a result lang. Nakita. As a result.
The other arm.
Hindi. Small letter mo lang. Hindi po.
Kill people. This is his long arm. So now, next is the long tail. Now, we're gonna put the big tail and the big feet
different parts.
and the big legs. Okay, so next,
Different parts ng mata.
this
And scratches o body paint.
is thing.
Kau lagi ngeliat? Berapa sama?
You're the videos.
The Spinosaurus is another
Kayak sini ada event kuliah.
Spinosaurus.
Lagi
This
minggu dia.
Spinosaurus actually cooler to draw this. So,
And scratches.
so the other leg like this. It's a big angry guy. Loves to kill people and to eat them. Now, we need to
Yong
put
Yong.
the spine of the Spinosaurus like this, or that, or this, or that, this, or that. It's a long, big spine. So, it looks like almost the ball. That's the ball. Now, we need the details of this bad boy. Details, we need to put this. The bad boy is a big bad boy. We need to put this.
Nasignan niyo dyan sa spot ng nilili.
He knows where to punch. Here's the long broken line. This bad boy. Now, this is a big Spinosaurus. Okay, first we need to erase this. Because the big feet need mode.
Winnie space like driving.
There. There. Now next we need to draw the pterodon. So they're far, so we cannot see them. So the face of them. I should put this thing at the side. And I should put this this to this. And then it's here. We cannot see that because it's too far. The next part of this
Kami na nabos si Richard, si Whitey, ako, si Risman, Binji, si Lupre, saka, iba to, ang kita na to.
Ini sarap niya daw ito. Tahan nyo
Ito na rin rabot.
Okay, pure ito sarabay. Ito rin bugto na pulis ba? Bayan ng pulis ba?
Uraan na.
Na.
Apat kita ng bugto ng Darmino, uraan. Ngayon ba, yan ang
details are here.
Leo, kumos. Hit loose.
Yan din saging ito kinaan.
Here we need put this bad boy from.
Ako, kumplito kami. Yawan na karo ibang team naman.
Next, we need to color.
Bago rin tayo expectar mo siya.
First, we need to put
Puta na, sigasig pa naman. Ako dara pala, sigigan ko ah. Ramanya, pero may migsipan raya to.
Okay, just wait first.
Balo yung kuberde naman ka kontra-kontra sa escape mo sa Bajismil. Kaya ang taga Ikburi, kabato, kasi masuk masuk kontra na. Pino pati ako, abay takkan, nagpapila ko na to. Lalaki. Ako na, 4-3.
Here's the
Escape, kabata mo may
color.
mic pa
We need to color the Spinosaurus.
Tapos pag rematch pa kaya.
This
Yawan na to yun ka.
here. We need to put the red. The red is here. Okay, remember it's move. The detail. Now we need to put the gray. But wait. Here we need to color the spine. Like this, just like from the Jurassic Park.
Chat, okay, chat.
Okay, okay, next is the gray we needed. Needed is the gray we needed.
Aking kami, pitado.
Here, it's the gray. The gray. Here, the Spinosaurus is X. The Spinosaurus is detail or anything. Okay, so here is it, the color of the Spinosaurus. Next, we have to put the to there, to there, to this part. You need to make it move, guys, not
Michelle, guro naglatag ba? Sigo-sigo mo si Pala. Tinakas lagi taga-kuhan. Tagas Ya. Galariuha, nakraso sa kanindan. Udah malupok pa naman narinig sila.
Macau, Hong will travel with Bell by mom. Pero kita may start ako nga friend ko mo. Macau.
Sa Macau sanda.
Mas ano ba? Mas
The open.
may mga tourist berang nga Macau, Hong Kong. Tama lang na earn na. Do Macau hanggang kita ko ng museo ano sa Macau. Tapos nila Hong Kong. Kung Hong Kong ano ito sa Macau.
We need more gray, guys. If you don't have gray, just use it with your pencil like this.
Saan gumawa ko na rin?
Hmm?
Video.
Ano?
Pinabakan.
Napaano na ako?
Sana yung bongga. Isip ko.
Ang atin na mga pa. Grade 1 nga lang. Reading nga na problema. Bilakin ko pa reading. Asa nga na grade 4 na. Grade 4 may paan.
May kinder ka naman, sir.
Ang 5 lang yung October. Ang
Nursery.
4 lang na po mga 5 October.
Okay.
Kan, naka-nursery nila ligyan sa 1 barangay.
Okay, so next we need to color everything on where I put. So starting with the rock.
Sabay na naman.
There.
Ang kamay na, manibainan pa tanara.
Wala na.
Walan.
Ano, sarap?
Lagi.
Next, the palm tree.
Lagi. Lagi ka. Lagi.
Wala pa makaburubot ng issue ko para pag-college na. Kung ilo-ilo, wala mo ito pa-apartment eh. Kung wala naman naman. Pati ikaw, wala din nila.
Ang may grade 6 ka, tapos grade 5.
Grade 4.
Grade 5. Ang grade 6, grade 5, grade 4.
Now we
Grade
need
1.
the brown.
At nagbahal ka rin mo
For
ng
the
kapag.
tree.
Ano pare, yung kasama ni ako kasi Tuto. Tapos na may 1 year, nag-craft ako si Jojo.
The next part is the
Nalang ko yan, man galing, no?
color. We're gonna color
Hinalang ko.
Ang binigsuhan.
Yan, sunod kami Tuto. Grade 6, grade 5, grade 4. Ang sabi.
Nakaya man na yan.
Ganun. Ang mananay ganun.
Next, we're gonna color
Galabag lang niya ko isundam na iba. Tapos ang si Jojo dahil
dinosaurs
sundam na. Tapos college kami sundan na yung tatlo mo.
everywhere.
May mas.
The grass there.
Bili mo pa yung mananay kami ng baby. Baka kami masusunod mo. Quick. Puro yun.
Labakan. Wala ba? Bantay.
Luwa ikaw po yan. Yung sunod mo kami. No? Hindi kahit kami practice pa yung kanaw. Yung bata.
Kung managulo kayong dependent ka man gawa mo.
Wala yung basta pa kang gamay pa kung ba.
Bayan.
Nanay, may gamay ba?
Tapos nagbabagal ko kamay, may gamay to dito.
Oo, nagbabago. May gamay.
Now we're done. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy along and let me show at the comments. You're gonna draw my other drawings. You're coming soon.